For more fashion tips, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.
Hey guys, I'm Shikha and this is B-Town Style Under 3 where we break down the latest looks spotted on Bollywood celebrities. So today we're breaking down a look of Shraddha Kapoor who was seen wearing a really bright yellow crop top which had a tie-up detail from the center, and what was interesting is that it was one of those crop tops that had a ruching in the center, so you could pull the strings and decide the length of the crop top. She pulled it all the way down, tied it up, and also the strings had a tassel detail which gave a very boho vibe to this yellow crop top. It also had bishop sleeves along with embroidery on the sleeves, which again made it look really desi, very bohemian at the same time. And then the surprise element in the outfit was the bottoms. So instead of going for a basic bottom, she went for these really cool wide leg paper bag waist denims, and she finished the look off with a pair of Kolhapuri chappals and a pair of sunglasses, really vintage looking sunglasses. So I think the outfit altogether is a really nice and cool casual outfit. It's a great way to add bohemian pieces but keep it cool at the same time in your look. So taking inspiration from this combination of Shraddha's, I'm going to show you a couple of pieces over here that you can try yourself. So the first one we have over here is a really cute top. It kind of has a asymmetrical peplum hem. Shraddha's top of course has strings on the center to pull it up and make it cropped. This one has an elastic detail over here and it has strings over here. So what you could do is just pull this and cinch it around the waist to make the peplum a bit more fluffy and a bit more flamboyant, or you could leave it a little loose and make the top a bit more structured and basic. It's a button down of course with a V neckline, and I think V neckline is flattering for so many body types. So you could pair a top like this one with a pair of basic jeans like these. These are a pair of dark wash jeans. They're a bit of a wider leg, it's a straight cut, so it's also again really flattering. This outfit can be perfect for your workwear, considering a lot of work places allow black jeans and navy jeans. This would make for a good choice. You could pair it with a pair of heels, or you could pair it with a pair of chappals the way Shraddha was wearing for a day out. Another way that you could try is wearing a top like this one. This has a boat neck neckline, wider neckline, square necks, and boat necks are really back in style. So it's something that you should definitely try. Also, if you're more endowed in the bust area, then a wider neckline will help you cut off and really accentuate everything. So this one would work completely well, and what you could pair it with is a high waist denim skirt like this one. This one is in the same wash as that of the paper bag waist jeans that Shraddha was wearing. So you could just tuck this into this skirt, or you could just wear it on top of it, considering the hem of this top is slightly cropped. Also the drop waist detail on this skirt is really interesting. That's all from this episode of B-Town Style Under 3. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.